That's perfect. That looks hard, doesn't it? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are fitting a new CT Design product to this 488 Pista. So I'll just give you a run around what we've got. So we've got our CT Design splitter here, which with this sort of car, we've made sure that we do the parts so they're only using OEM fixing. So essentially it's a direct replacement for these two pieces here. So this is separate from this. They both bolt on from inside. So you take the under trays off and then they come out from inside. We had to do that when doing the scanning. The side skirts also use the original fixings along the side, sorry. So I just want to show you with the spoiler, we took some inspiration from the SF90 with the carbon lip that they do. So essentially we have made one which actually is an overlay like this. So it goes on top and just mounts like that. So it fits nice and easy. We were thinking about doing a replacement for the back, but it's a massive job to change and we thought people probably wouldn't want to do that. So if you have a look back here, Jack, so if you see it goes over there, see the brake light through it, and that is all. Okay, so let's get it fitted and we'll show you how it's done and how it looks at the end. Right, so we're going to start with this. As I said, Matt is going to clean the area. We will literally just pull the tape and stick it on. Nice and already pre-applied, so it's nice and easy. I know some people will say can't modify a Pista, but why not? Especially as well, with that in mind, that's why we have made the parts. So they just use OEM fixings, etc. So essentially, it can all just be reversed because so you can make it look how you want, and then when you finish that, you can just reverse it back to standard. It is generally easier with a knife, but holding it and doing it at the same time. It's annoying, sometimes it takes it, isn't it? So as you can see, it's pre-preg carbon. We have matched, look here, if you look here, Jack, the 1x1 weave. Obviously it looks like 2x2 on the inside, but it's 1x1. So yeah. Get that in place. And that's it. Push it down. So you can't really go wrong with fitting it. It literally fits into one place. It's on there nicely. You don't really need anything other than just the tape. I wouldn't tiger seal it or anything like that. And as you can see, the match is pretty good. So yeah, I think it looks really cool. All right, so we'll go up and then we'll do the side skirts and work our way forward. All right, let's have a look. Matt, do you want to ring? It's a T. Yes, T30. So, it uses the original T30s all along and it will stick on the edge with the tape. So, we'll take the originals out. If you bring a side skirt over, Matt will know which ones to take out. And Matt will wipe the surface and then we'll just stick them in place. Very nice and easy. That's it. So that looks sick, doesn't it? Look good? So look. So as I said, use the OEM holes here to make sure that you're not drilling into any carbon or anything like that, and it's just stuck. So Matt and I'll just line it up quickly, and I'll go underneath and stick the bolts in. Yep, you? Okay, Matt will line up from the back where the gap. Matt, you go there, there you go. Push it in there.
You got a little bit off the back there.
Wow. What do you mean, little bit off the back?
Like that. It's not flush.
Okay, just go flush. And I'll tighten it in. There's that flush? That's flush, yeah?
Yeah, it wants to sit.
That's fine. You see? Perfect. All right, Matt. So that's stuck there. And now I'll stick the bolts back in. So there you go, that's it, simple. All the holes are in the right place, just go straight in. As I was saying, the only difficult bit really is the front because it's quite fiddly to get in to where the standard ones come off. So I'll show you that though. And the last one. That's it. That's this side done. So Matt's taking the bolts out on this side. We'll get the last one in place. Take this off. See that look? CT carbon printed in. And then we'll get this on. Do you want to go to the back again, Matt, so you can make sure it's the same as the other side? Where do you want it? So look, if you come here a second, I want to show you something. I know I keep on banging on about it, but it was important for us. If you just have a look at the match, pretty bang on. Happy with that. Okay, so moving on to the splitter. If you come down under here, Jack, I'll show you what we're doing. So basically, I was wrong. I forgot. These are actually one piece, the side pieces here. So essentially, it's easy for these bolts here. We've got 1, 2, 3 there. The harder ones are inside. There's one which holds it like here. There's one here and one here, which are a bit fiddly because of the angle. And realistically, didn't want to be taking the bumper off. But you can get to it. So we're going to take the under trays off, which is 10mm, and then we'll move to taking these off and then get the ones inside, and then we'll just refit our one. Don't want to lose any bolts ever. We don't lose bolts around here, do we, Jack?
No.
I shall take these two out and then it comes off. Okay. 1 sec. So that's one side off. Let me go do the other side. Oh, love getting bits in my ear. Okay. Okay. And that is that one off as well. Okay, so now we'll start taking the carbon parts off. So, as I mentioned, there's the 2020s here. On this here. Matt, have you got a separate pot for these? Please, my friend. So we've got 4 here. And there's one difficult one. Which is unenjoyable, if I'm honest, but needs must. To get off, so I think there is one up here as well, which Matt will take out in here. We have to just move the arch liner slightly. There is, but here it is. Yeah, I've got my finger on it.
Down, isn't it?
Yeah, here. Unluckily, our replacement splitter uses the same one. Here you go. So that's on there. I need a flexi on there. Oh.
Put the...
Is it coming off? Yeah, it's, there we go. The last one that holds these side bits, Matt, if you can hold that from the front, is just in here. So just take these two out. There we go. And that is one side piece. Yes, we'll do the same on the other side. And we're good. Bit of wear on there. Okay, so doing the same as we did on the other side. Over here. Oh. There's two 10 mils on this side, which the other side doesn't have. Why is that? Not coming off? Yeah. So that is the fiddly one out. Just the last one. Okay. So this fits exactly the same as the side corner pieces. So it's got the two inside bolts, so I've got one here, and this is the tricky one, which I'm not looking forward to say the least. So let's line it up from the back. That's good. Okay, so sits like that. I'll stick it in the middle, and then I'll put some bolts in. I'll start by getting the easy ones in, so it's in place, and then we'll work our way to the harder ones. Is it going in? All right, now line up the middle bit where you want it then, and then I'll go tight. There? Yeah. Okay. All right, so now we just replace the under tray, and we're there. So that is the Pista finished. Obviously, the first CT Design kit fitted to one of these, so we like to fit the first one to make sure that we're happy with the fitment, which we are. So I just want to talk to you a little bit more about how we just came to design. So obviously the split is pretty obvious. We followed the original lines on the front, and same way around the sides really. We kind of wanted to just keep OEM kind of plus, a bit more aggressive. Side skirts I really like. I just feel like they make the car from the side obviously feel a bit lower, and they stick out quite nicely as well. And especially if you're looking kind of from back here as well, it just looks so aggressive, but not too much at the same time. Obviously diffuser we just left because the Pista's perfect as it is, and the spoiler, as we said before, is kind of inspiration from the SF90, but definitely just a little flick just makes a big difference. When you're behind it, it looks really cool. And yeah, as I've said many times in this video, we're really happy with how the weave matches. I think for Ferrari owners that's pretty important. If you come here, Jack, and just have a look at that, like, it's pretty much bang on, the weave, so look at that. So that's something I think is very important, 1x1 rather than standard 2x2. But yeah, really happy with how it's turned out. Obviously we've got the kit for the 812, which we've got a video on. We've got the 812 GTS kit coming soon, which has got a slightly different spoiler and diffuser. And then we're looking to scan a SF90 and a 296, so we'll get those kits coming soon, hopefully as well. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully this video is helpful if you bought the kit or you're interested in the kit, and let us know what you think of the car in the comments. Why you gotta be so in the air?